I'm Matt Fader, Senior Vice President with Cain Food Industries. In 1971, when Ernie and Billy Cain established Cain Food Industries, their objective was to make the art of baking simple for their customers. And today, that is what we strive for at Cain Food Industries. IBIE is the most important trade show for bakers and suppliers in North America. At Cain, we're excited to showcase our clean label line of products from antimicrobial, dough conditioning, softening, and custom blends. For over 50 years, we've been an innovator and leading supplier of clean label baking ingredients to the wholesale and retail baking industry. We invite you to stop by the West Hall, booth 1217, to meet with our R&D and technical sales team to discuss how we can help you make the art of baking simple. Come on by, again, booth 1217. We'll see you there.